Cecil County in northern Delaware, southern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania,
Oh, that's why.
Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, western Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania. 45 p.m. At 6:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Conowingo to Barksdale, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Westchester, Chester, Phoenixville, Coatesville, Westtown, Downey Town, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Oxford, Parkersburg, West Road,
Excuse me
Huntingville,
again.
Elverson, Arden, New Morgan, Glenroy, Cheney, Toledo, and Freetown. This includes the following highways.
Guys, that's enough!
Between mile markers 296 and 324. Interstate
Yes,
95 and Pennsylvania between mile
Yikes.
markers 0 and 3. Interstate 95 in Delaware between 15 and 23. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 7. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45
Hurricane Stream about an hour.
in Pennsylvania, Berks, Chester, and Delaware, and Newcastle, Delaware.
No, guys, it's actually an estimate. Yeah, keep it out.
The following is a flash flood watch announcement from the National Weather Service. At 8 p.m. this evening through Tuesday afternoon. The flash flood watch continues for portions of central New Jersey, northern New Jersey, northwest New Jersey, and southern New Jersey, including the following areas in central New Jersey, eastern Monmouth, Mercer, and western Monmouth.